Hi! We're all set for a movie night. Let's show you how to make a Baileys and butterscotch ice cream cocktail. First up, some caramel. And of course, 2 big scoops of butterscotch. There goes some Irish cream. About 40 ml of it. And some vodka. 20 ml. Also, don't forget to add ice. It's time to blend that beautiful mix. Let's rewind a little bit and show you how to make some caramel popcorn. Of course, there's gonna be sugar in that. Just a little bit of butter. The trick is that pinch of baking soda. That's gonna be crunchy and sweet. And hot, so be careful. Back to our stunning drink. So what movie are you watching tonight? Time to pour. Ta-da! Don't forget to like and subscribe.